Hi y'all, I'm back with another video in my Google series. And I'm in a lot of Facebook groups and I see people talking about various issues concerning housing and landlord-tenant concerns. One of them is whether or not a landlord can increase your rent and by how much. This is called rent control. So I recommend that you go to Google instead of relying on people's opinion on Facebook and whatever other social media platform that you find yourself on to find out whether your town or state has rules on rent control. So I'm going to look up the city of Trenton because I know that there are some rules there. So we're going to go to google.com and then we're going to search, does the city of Trenton have rent control? And as you see right away, something pops up. Like I said in the last video, you want to make sure that you click on something that looks official from your town, city, or state. Usually that will end in like a .org or .gov, and look and see what they say. Here in the city of Trenton, there is rent control. And so even though in the state of New Jersey, there's not a general amount that a landlord is constrained by other than it must be conscionable. That means it can't be crazy or blow the mind of the court how they're trying to increase the rent. But there are cities, as we see, that are constrained by certain percentages. So make sure that you use the resources that are available to you for free, google.com. And you can also follow me and subscribe for more.